Well, welcome to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a beautiful MB6. Now this is a B18 turbo, it's rated by the way, and this one is in today for a fuel pump relay, genuine from Honda, and a couple of dyno checks. So it won't be a very long video, but it is a gorgeous car, so it deserves some YouTube treatment. And modified MB6 Civic, turbocharged. If you've got a modified car and you want to save money on car insurance, head on over to greenlight.co.uk and mention Dynodaze and you'll save 15% on your car insurance premiums for modified cars. That's cool, isn't it? Well, lovely to see an MB6. Richard started with an MB6 all those years ago.
Many years ago.
When he was a wee boy.
When I was a wee boy.
Yeah, that ended up turbo, didn't it?
Yeah, so we've known this car for a little while, haven't we? Obviously,
yes.
We've known the previous owner that built the car, and then obviously we've sort of done work for a couple of owners that have had it since. It came to us with a non-start issue, didn't it, last time?
Yes.
And it found that for some reason, which I can't exactly work out at this point, the fuel pump wire had burnt out going to the fuel pump. Someone had replaced that wire and it had damaged the fuel pump relay. At the time when we had it last time, it was still working, but obviously it did need a new one on it. So we sent the vehicle away, we replaced the wire. I ran a relay in the boot and gave it its own, because the battery's in the boot, ran its own power feed to the fuel pump. And
diesel space heater went off.
Yeah, diesel space heater went off. Ran its own power feed to the fuel pump to obviously try and eliminate it dragging so much, if it was the fuel pump, because it's got a big fuel pump in it, dragging too much ampage from the fuel pump relay. So we sorted all that out, and the customer said it's been fine, he's been driving around it, but obviously we've sort of said, well, we've got the fuel pump relay here for you, maybe we should have this back and get it fitted. So he's dropped it off, we've done that. What else did we do yesterday on it? I'm trying to think now.
Well, we ran it on the dyno.
Oh, we definitely ran it on the dyno, did the fuel pump relay, and we did the screamer, external screamer.
External screamer.
Right.
We've got some photographs of that.
No, but we can get some.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, so he wanted it, basically the screamer or the wastegate ran back into the exhaust, or the previous owner had done that. He was convinced he wanted more noise. He was trying to convince me to run it out the bonnet, which I wasn't keen on the idea of that. I said it's a lovely car, it'd be a shame to do that. Plus, if you ever want to go back, you've got a hole in your bonnet, you can't fix that problem. You know what I mean? So I talked him into, yes, I have an external screamer.
It does sound amazing.
Yeah, we'll run it down to the floor and run it out. So we did that. And then just did 2 power runs, just basically to check it. It said it went to VTEC, I believe he said, in Sheffield. To have the gearbox rebuilt. He had a problem with second.
And painted with a brush.
Yeah, and he says that there was a crack around the wastegate on the manifold, which if you know anything about B-series manifolds is a common problem. And he says that it was due to the vehicle running lean, so he just wanted us to double check it. But as I said to him, that car's been running 500 brake horsepower for the last 3 years, and everybody's kicked its head in. If it was running lean,
let me tell you something.
It'd have melted by now.
Let me tell you something, brother. That is one fast MB6.
Yeah, for sure. It does rip.
Yeah.
So obviously I said it would have melted. I've had a look at it, and they basically repaired a crack around the wastegate, which is common. And I explained that to him. Heat cycles on stainless steel, they do crack. There's nothing you're going to do about that. So that's just par for the course with that.
That's it.
Get on with it. But we'd give it a full health sort of check over and done a dyno pull, and it's still making the power, so I believe he's going to come and collect it today.
Yeah, love it, what a car. But yeah, that's it. Do you want to look at the graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's look at the graph.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.